my name is Bri. I am the owner of Geminibybri hair care products, and in this video I'm going to be telling you guys my skincare and my makeup tips. I'm going to show you the products I use and we're just going to get into it. My first essential thing might be a surprise to you guys, might not, right? So my hair oil. Yes, this one is empty. I have a full one right here. The label just look a little crazy, so I'm going to show y'all this one. My hair oil elixir. Once I exfoliate, I put everything on. My last step before moisturizing is my hair oil. Yes, I use my hair oil on my eyebrows, my eyelashes, my face. It's cleared up a lot of my dark marks and stuff like that. Like, my skin is very, very clear. Skincare is coming soon, but yeah, like, my oil has done some things. Eyelashes have gotten longer. My eyebrows have always been thick, so I'm not gonna act like they haven't, but fuller. My eyebrows have gotten fuller, and my face has just been clear. So I'm gonna use oil for a serum. You can use the hair oil elixir as well as on your hair and your eyebrows and your lashes and wherever you want to grow some hair. My second skincare essential is my Clarisonic brush. Let me tell you, I had this brush since 2014. Yes, like, I've gotten some replacement brushes since then. This is the Aria 2. Like, this was my first job at Macy's. I bought this with my own money. My next skin essential is this, the European clay mask. I use this on my hair too sometimes. The next skincare thing, Cerave. This is my shit. The salicylic acid renewing cleanser. Like, yes, A++. Get these dermatologists this is good. They got a foaming cleanser I saw on the street the other day. I couldn't stop because I didn't have no cash, but I might look into it. The next thing is Pond's Flawless White Foaming Facial Wash. This is really good too. Like, I love this so much. It's so creamy. Next thing for skincare is, we all like overnight peels, right? You need your BHAs and your AHAs. So I got the AHA and I got salicylic, so I need a BHA next. This is a overnight skin peel. You put it on your face right before you go to sleep, like little 10 minutes, 20 minutes, because if you put it on and you're still sitting up, I notice it irritates my eyes a little bit, but it doesn't do anything else. Leave it on, you sleep with it, and when you wake up in the morning, you wash it off. So I really like this. Yes, really like this one. It's by Derma E Essentials. Next is the face mask. So I showed y'all my clay mask because that's what I normally do, but we have some collagen charcoal mask. Might use this one for my skincare routine. I'm gonna use one of these today though to show y'all like what's up. I got these from Forever 21 for $1. This is peach. I got 2 peaches. I got 2 avocado. I got a tea tree sheets, pomegranate sheets. And we also have tea tree oil, because I got some dark marks I'm trying to get rid of. And we got lemon essential oil. Because I got dark marks that I want to get rid of. So I use these 2 back to back after I shower. Next thing is this suction device that pretty much pulls out the pores out of your head. Blackheads, whiteheads, it takes everything out. Like, I put it on my nose, it suctioned it out and stuff. It's pretty easy to clean too. You get 4 of these head things. Next, we're gonna talk about the makeup. I want to first say face is brought to you by Fenty. First 2 things I want to talk about, my favorites. So we got the Wet n Wild matte finish setting spray. Love this, love this. This is for the oily girls. And I'm one of them. Then we have the Rose 3-in-1 primer, prep, and refresh. Like, let's get it. We all know about them beauty blenders. Gotta love beauty blenders. I bought this from Sephora some years ago, and shout out to them for that one because it's still holding up. Next, we have the Wet n Wild brow pomade. I did put some in my eyebrows today. I see the difference, but my eyebrows are full enough, so this is one thing I can go without, but I don't mind it, so I'll use it. I've had Precious Petals for some time now, believe it or not. The second one I bought was Crown of Canopy, which is a pretty, look at the difference. Now we got the Fenty Beauty Espresso contour stick. We love this. We love to see this. Next we have the foundation, $4.50 in the bottle, Pro Filter Soft Matte Long Wear. Like, yes, I get in front, I don't even like foundation like that, but this one, ooh, I like this. The next one we have is the Pro Filter Contour Stick in the color 390, and it's cute. I like this. It's nice, creamy. A little goes a long way too. Next we have Madame, which is what I'm wearing right now from Fenty. Madame is mixed with Fussy on my lip for a lip combo. Right, I tend to mix Fussy with Madame and Flaming Acid. I love how Flaming Acid looks. Flaming Acid is like a nice little like purpley color, and ooh, it just, ooh, once you mix these two together, it looks so nice on my face. The final thing that we're gonna talk about is the Crayon Case. So everybody follows Super, everybody know who Super is. I finally got a chance to get my hands on a box of crayons. So why I didn't do no eyeshadow? Because I'm waiting for my brushes. I got a new 32-piece set with every brush you can think of. So once I get that, we are in business. Okay, look at this. Like, this is beautiful. Lasting makeup remover wipe. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one, and check out my other videos. Bye.